Alright guys, what's going on? Welcome to my channel. Today we're at this abandoned lumber yard. We're going to check out some of these buildings. They've been abandoned probably for about a good 15 years now. So this is actually a railroad track. This is where they used to pull up in here with the railroads. Carts to load up the lumber. Oh guys, y'all look at all these bars. This is kind of creepy. So we're gonna continue. I'm gonna try to go into the other side of it over there. I'm not sure if I see a door going in this way. I believe it was called the Miller Lumber Company. I believe that's what it's called. Not quite sure. It's more of the stalls. Man, this is creepy. Hello? Alright guys, this is where they run the railroad through here to pick up the lumber. So yeah guys, down here in Alabama we have wild blackberries. This is a little patch of them. I don't see no blackberries. I've seen a couple red ones. There's a blackberry. Haven't seen many this year. They haven't did so good. It's a red one. So yeah guys, I hope everybody had a good Memorial weekend, the holidays and stuff. We did, it was okay. So I'm not sure how we're gonna get up in there. It goes all the way back here too. Should have urbex trails. I believe I'm on one. Looks like a trail. Drops off down there. See if we can get in there. It's gotta be old. Look how old that doorway is. I can see it right through there. Small, like a tunnel. I can't make my way over here. Trying to watch out for snakes too. Yeah, that's pretty creepy right there. Whoa, man. We're gonna check it out real fast and get out from up under all this. There's nothing but cold air coming out of there. I'm not going in there. It looks like a furnace. That's where they heated it up. Alright guys, I'm going to turn around and get out from up under this metal. Because I don't feel safe. Y'all look at it. Yeah guys, today it's about 100 degrees out here. It's pretty hot. I've been sick for a couple days. I'm a little late on putting a video out, but I wasn't feeling good at all. I think it was just a cold. Got this in here. Oh yeah, you got the old furnace door. So this is the back of this building. Looks like a small building up there, like a caretaker's room or working room. I'm not sure I can get up there. That's all the machine work up there. So yeah guys, here's the railroad tracks that runs through the place to pick the lumber up. And over there is the main railroad. Right over there is the railroad station. We're gonna check this little building out. If y'all are new to the channel, please like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. Keeps me motivated to come out here and do these videos. The tool room looks like. Like rubber hoses, pipes and rubber and stuff. Hey. All right, guys. So this is one of the saws, if y'all can see that. One of the saws they cut the lumber with. It's all the tool compartments, shelves. All right, guys, I'm gonna get out of here. Alright guys, this will include of exploring this abandoned lumber yard. Hope y'all enjoyed it. That building down there looked a little creepy. Alright guys, we'll see you on the next adventure. Peace y'all.